dream of studying at a university abroad will soon come true. With intensive IELTS guidance from Sir Gozali at Global Cahaya Nubuwwah Insane Boarding School, you will significantly improve your IELTS score with the right tips and tricks, understand the IELTS question format with complete practice questions, improve your overall English skills, both listening, speaking, reading, and writing, receive personal guidance to overcome the difficulties you face. Don't hesitate to get your dream scholarship. Register yourself now.
Yeah? Oh yeah. In English you say curious. Okay. So the word curious, when you use the adjective curious, so you must add a noun. Example, curious tune. Example, curious child. Right? Okay, again, curious girl. Okay? And then curious mom. Curious. So when you use the adjective, example, curious, then we must add noun. So don't forget to use to be. Example, this is M or R. Friend. Patient employee. Example, yeah. You know employee, right? Employee. Patient neighbor. Okay, so the word patient, when you use the adjective, you must combine. Yeah, adjective. Example, patient can be patient teacher, patient leader, patient mom. Yeah. Okay, what's number 3? Yeah? 30. Oh, dirty.